Hello my lovely people, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and I trust you are all well wherever you are, wherever you are hearing this voice from. I also want to take this chance to thank all my viewers for always stopping by and tuning in to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate, guys, and may God bless you so much. And for my new viewers, if it's your first time to hear this voice or to watch my videos and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to join Royal Nails family. You are so much welcomed, and here I promise you gonna find the most elegant, top trending, most attractive, unique, cute, latest, demanding, chic nail art designs and ideas. All you have to do is to turn on the notification bell for the alertment of my new uploads. And please, guys, don't forget to like, to share, and to comment as always. Today, what's cooking in Royal Nail Art is that I've brought you most elegant, beautiful, gorgeous, plain colors. They are so easy, simple, classy, effortless and timeless nail art tutorial that you can try at home without any stress. Just watch this video till the end, and I assure you, you're gonna find multiple colors for your next appointment. They are so cute, they are so amazing, trust me, and they also fit every skin tone, whether you are dark skinned or light skinned. Then here is the right place for you. You're gonna love these designs. They are so chic. Oh my god, they are so demanding, they are so eye-catching, they are so attractive. Just choose your shade, choose your nail shape, just choose your color. All colors are here, and I know you're gonna love them, my lovely ladies. You're gonna love these nails, trust me. Just watch till the end and pick all that you desire. They are so easy, you can do them at home, you can save time. They are expensive free, they are so quick. Just watch them, they are so amazing, ladies. Thank you so much for always tuning into my channel, and thank you for your support. Much love, guys.